To access Klarna financing, start by understanding what Klarna is. A popular payment service that allows you to pay for purchases in installments. This financing option is available at thousands of online stores and some physical retailers. First, ensure you are eligible for Klarna financing by meeting the basic requirements, which typically include being at least 18 years old and having a valid debit or credit card. Next, find a store that accepts Klarna financing, either online or in person. You can check the Klarna website for a list of participating merchants. Once you have selected the items you wish to purchase, proceed to the checkout page. Look for the Klarna financing option and select it as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Klarna website, where you will be asked to provide some personal and financial information. This may include your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Klarna will then perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for financing. This check will not affect your credit score. If you are approved, you will be presented with a financing offer, which will include the total amount you need to pay, the interest rate, and the repayment terms. Carefully review the terms and conditions of the financing offer to ensure you understand the repayment schedule and any associated fees. If you are satisfied with the terms, accept the financing offer and complete the checkout process. Klarna will then send you a confirmation email with the details of your financing agreement. To avoid late fees and negative credit reporting, make sure to repay your installments on time. You can set up automatic payments or pay manually through the Klarna website. It is essential to only borrow what you can afford to repay and to make timely payments to maintain a positive credit history. By following these steps, you can access Klarna financing and enjoy the flexibility of paying for your purchases over time.